Yeah,
my people of the world, these people, they are the one responsible. They stole my wife gold in Germany. So they are preparing to take the gold to Belgium
and sell it. They want to take it to border now.
I want to inform every Nigerians, tell Mama Melissa, Godpower, and one useless Oibo, Turkish Oibo, that they should return that my wife gold.
Immediately. Return my gold. Okay. You cannot sell my gold. You cannot take my gold through the border. So we have already heard the information this evening that you are taking my gold through border because you are afraid to take it through border because you will meet other police in on your way going to where you want to sell it in the border, maybe on your way to Belgium. You know, if you are going to Belgium, you cross border. You know, if you are going to Belgium, you can also pass Holland before going to Belgium. So I believe Ella either the Holland border or the Belgium border. So we have heard the information now that you are going to take the gold through the border, but you are afraid to cross with the gold to the Belgium border. So so a border now, I say man tie nana, and I have a year doshi tie, so that a god in your book.
Godpower, what about the gold? Godpower, what the gold? Why are you? Why are you? Is that Godpower? Is that Godpower? No, I'm a sure why. I'm a sure why not here. A power, most of the power not here. You got done who? Oh my God, if we say, oh my, you match your power. Hey, power. Why are you good? Yakia. Yakia do my good job.
A god there, a god in Wamus is August 28. A power can a border. And oya wa mugwa wa ya mwele border because a god in Yabubi. A receipt is so good, mana. A so ekpor wa we receipt is so ruwe. Na ya no wa the border. A receipt ni ke yawo.
A turn wa mwela. A turn ya or yagboe. E moto amwela o wa mi assistant. E police a control we. Me god very. My God, Melissa. Melissa,
my God, why say take God in Wamanya? Imagine get what do? Imagine get what do power. Imagine get filo de Godi. Imagine get power de God. I'm on where you walk power. Oh, can walk your level. Oh, you're la walk power. Why say take God in a power? So why am we God in la de Gagia? Why am we God in la de
Melissa? Taro. Your
mother is a
Melissa.
Your mother is a criminal.
Oh, yeah, Tony. Melissa, yeah, Tony. Come here, you want to go today? Etalo.
We are getting
Ja.
Ja.
So, Leute. Wie geht's euch? Unser Gold, also meine Mutters Gold wurde geklaut von Melissa. Also von Gloria und Power. Es wurde in Bochum geklaut und wir wollen auch diese ganze Polizei einschalten, weil es ist unseres und nicht deren. Und wir brauchen das Gold auch jetzt. Wir wollen das Gold jetzt sehen. Wenn wir das Gold nicht sehen, wir werden nicht aufhören. Wir werden es noch weiter jeden Tag versuchen. Und
ja, super.
Fertig?
Ja, noch gut geredet. Danke schön. Ja.
Vom Bochum, die wollen jetzt von Gelsenkirchen nach Belgien gehen und das wollen wir nicht zulassen gerade.
Okay, du wolltest gerade, okay.
Ja.
Okay.
Guck mal, ein Dieb war zu meinem Mutterhaus, der hat eine Gold geklaut von meiner Mutter.
Ja.
Dann muss das Polizei sagen, weil die Polizei muss den finden, so der kann unsere Gold haben und dann haben wir das zurück. Dann wenn wir Glück haben.
Ja. Und die Leute ist nochmal Melissa.
Die Leute, welche Leute haben deine Mutter Gold geklaut?
Mama Melissa.
And Godpower.
And Godpower.
Yeah.
Yeah. So my people, we don't hear information now. Say Mama Melissa and Godpower when I say no one. From beginning I tell I say Godpower they inside. Godpower is aware. Now the same Godpower and Mama Melissa, they are going to take the go through border. And they are afraid to take that go through border.
I want the word to
so
tell
now,
Godpower.
You people should help me to share this video so that everybody can see this video. They want to go and say my gold. They are afraid to use that gold to cross border of Holland and border of Belgium. Maybe they can jam control. That is what we just hear this evening. That is why we are telling you people to help us to share this video. So they can't sell that gold. That gold is so filled. It's too much. I didn't use their father money to buy it. Other than Mama Power's money to buy my gold. I'm not the one that caused Power's predicament in Europe. Power is the one that used the hand to cause everything that is wrong with him today. So you can't sell my gold. So bring my gold. Support and bring my gold now. I don't use my money to buy ammo. I don't use my papa money to buy ammo. So I'm gonna bring my gold come for me. I'm not gonna use my gold take cross border. By 30 days gold in here across the border. Because of devil, imagine get what imagine get you what imagine get what Terio Iye power eje work bia eje work wo okay ya asaye gold na eje work bia eje work wo okay ya asaye gold na iye Melissa why you when Melissa ya se fire gold na why you we Taro se fire gold na why you we priest se fire gold na why you we diamond se fire gold na why you we diamond se fire gold na why you we scientist se fire gold na why you we flora se fire gold when up here you why you we se fire gold na why tie power why you no biele Europe na no magba oge no marie bai na why you tie why we can big we e rich one them we can we e rich one you wedding lo wedding because what if you go to the border ya here e wa da end the information now
on watama odo fa wa wane why God the good wa I got the good Melissa.
We are bully here, Verana. Monsieur, if I not want jouer d'Italie, il joue à Viega, si Viega, à Boma, mais jouer d'Italie. On a levé Rome. Ok, Rome, il y a la London. Et London attaque mon rifier. Il joue when he had dog begwen. Il joue à cette begwen. Information what that see mon papa. Ou quoi qu'un pied God in les border. Oh, Mamugua, et God in Wamanya. Wa viole les border. If I no wrong motel, okay, I want one. Share my disgrace in Walenani. Wa when I ladiani, eche my disgrace in okay, I want one. Gia no. Eche my disgrace in okay, I like Bena.
Yeah, Melissa, why, Jacob? Ega, we are Lana, one Gale, who gave over Becana. Oh, we are so a bottle with honor.
Mario Barove, Mario get power. Imae power there from Ada and from Imae were there power. Imae were there. No one beg power. Oh, Jack Boja, you are banana.
Ubi, una biliagboa. Una biliagboa power. No go. Oh, no, we have a few of our platinum. Why go and a few of our plat?
Oh, Jack Boja,
you have few of our platinum.
You're Jesse way. No good boy.
Well,
that in Facebook where he died the bed. My bad monitor spirit in Wahi. My bad monitor spirit in Wahi. All there can allow like Bena. Why worry? All there can allow like me. All there.
If you have plat, Jenna.
If you have plat.
Hey, Jenna, if you have plat. Hey, Jenna, La Jenna. La Jenna will take out to marry.
Oh, Jacques Bonjour.
Oh, Jacques Bonjour.
Holy. Only you done. Man, this store now closing.
Am I close?
Et de la colonie cardiaque. Derrière Saint-Génan, au grand biche ouais power. Puis go dans les bordas. Moi je fais la wagbe. Ou ouais mi nekere wa vieux. Dieu là.
Yes, this social media president. Il est fait faire plate. Dieu God dire oh. Power Dieu God dire. Power Dieu God dire. Power Dieu God dire. Wa Dieu God dire. E God wa do bio. Wa Dieu God dire. E no se problem with Demi. Wa ya fe am yo.
Papa, kann ich bitte reden?
Ja.
Guck mal, wenn du heute nicht der Goat, ich werde du alle dummer töten. Dann wird das Polizei werden wir sehen. Ich run weg. Ich run weg.
Oh, ready.
Das machst du machen.
Nein. Baby, du bist Kinder. Du bist Kinder. Nein, niemand macht niemand tot. But the problem is, there must be God, the God bringing. That is the SG, not needs to sort there must be God bringing. Power, the camp power. The camp power. And the camp Mama Melissa. Yeah, these are 2 Leute of the God genommen.
Nur 2?
Diese 2 Leute. Diese 2 Leute.
Aber warum nicht 3 Leute?
Das ist Bedrucker.
Da waren sogar 3 Leute in der Involvement.
Ja, there were 3 Leute, 2 Wasser and Mama Melissa. Power war mit uns, die Patrouille in die Straße.
I saw Power was unsere Frau.
Ja.
Why is he doing like that now?
He's a very stupid boy.
Why is he now by Mama Melissa? I saw he broke up with Mama Melissa.
He's a pet. He's a pet, like parasite. He's a pet. Yeah.
Was ist 2 plus 2?
Anna, we were both of na light trouble. A trouble like you were ragbe. A trouble larawe. All larawe you were wagbon. A trouble you were trouble gbera. Oh, wa jewebo. And when I jewebo, except 2 war, is where war. This is what I'm aware. Yagbebo mi oko. I want to do a red black. I want to wear the red black. The when I'm wa. A black away. Where me black it over la we black it there. Oh yeah, do me heavy. Eh? Bebe mi oko. Wama no ni mean. Wama kene boye. Nwe black ana to gbu wa wagbon. Uwe nu do teme. O teme yan win. Okay, I will election, contest election. Ultimately, contest election. He get all money me. Tom we get me. Hey, Melissa. Ultimately, the bomb win election, I contest election. Ultimately, I'm we get me. Gag Bonodia, I must support no airport. I like Bodogo, or Ladia. I must support no airport. Oh, I don't want to go to moon.
Papa.
It's okay. What do we go to moon? Yeah, all like, win election. Mommy go out the God no sunny. Oh, go out, boy, Melissa. Oh, go out, Billy, where are you? Oh, go out, boy, Billy, where are you, Melissa? What's who? I said that mommy like that. I said that mommy like that. I don't put Agwana. If you're bad person, Agwana. I said that mommy like that, Melissa. I can't tell him I'm like that. What will I take on today?
Wow, they give me more share.
Roger Godi. Aviez Godi le.
Ni a Godi ni re.
Aviez Godi ni la dian. Eren gbegwe. Aviez Godi la dian. Roger Agbonje yin.
No, I wanna have your piave. Na have your piave. De bateau asile. Le we go na so avion won.
Aviez Godi le na na ge keni yere fi o fa black power. E ma na do anwan yan fi logo kwa. Ire ma na wa biju abagbon. Aviez aguma.
Mama na je Godi ni re. Mama na je Godi ni re. Wa le legbo. Umawe bege de bege palace. Ulo le adewebo. Wa gbe ere ati. Mama na je Godi ni re. Wa me wa gbo re wona. Wa me me gbo ha.
Ibi un dan ri oji. Awon la we bo daki. Awon wa do gbe bomi oko. E daki wa yara. Wa o wa gbon. Ça va yo.
D'accord là. D'accord à une élection. Wa ka d'accord. Ala d'accord à une élection. D'accord à une élection. Wa ka wa.
Yaw. Imata mu wa.
Na it is a loyalty. Bedroka in Deutschland. Bedroka. Yani ni awira la obona. De bato asino yariye.
Oja Agbonje yin. Awa la gwo mo wa to vie mi o ma ya. Now you are taking out to go and sell it. Cross the border na. Wa cross ototo.
Ba je Godi re. Ba je Godi re.
Inu wa mi e ba be.
Ibi wa kin na. Ibi wa ogulo iwa ona.
Inu wa mi e ba be Godi na. Oporu wa ke gbe. Itawe ogo mo get the last. Nu wa ya stopping nonsense nu wa we webu. Ikata mu wana. Ina wa ogi mena. Okay, alongi mena de.
Ogwa we ki e. Agbo na aso ninu ogwa we ki e. Ama to do Godi re. Una come back with Ije Melissa. If you are agbi agia.
Ijwe ma guma ewo. Ijwe wa egu ewo. Oyin e ba o.
Oni na o wa. Ipapele.
Na mu we.
Oni na egbuya.
Oh ho.
Eseku.
Na mu we ni bi akani alal. Akon ya selem. Ga kinjwe. Poli jime nya kon ni jwe nya kon. And we do blood it. Akon no sele. Ijwe ni me. Ibe to itoyi. Ime toyi. Iye power ni me toyi. Ime woko. Akon no sele akon no wiya. De no ware sisti akon eya shifting. Wow, wa gbon. Unwe atogbo power ye power. E filo unwe filo atogbo ro were power. Unwe power lo wa atogbo re filo. Wa sun. Unye Melissa be to togbo re filo. Ore filo be ke ba pade gbe to gbo ye Melissa. Wa ya agbele gbugwa wa. Wa agbin agbele gbugwa wa. Oje ogbugwa. Wa vie le border.
Wa je Godi re. Wa foye wa. Wa je Godi re.
Esen jena.
Wa je Godi re.
Esen wa jena.
Aro e ba tugu. Aro pa wo. Wa je Godi re.
Mana ya wa ivu.
Ich geh schon mal da rein.
Ich auch.
Moto ma wa bon.
Moye manana.
Ma je mana jala.
Asana ge we ba di gala di moto we. To ati amo onuri.
Ati amo onuru.
Amo to ki opa yin of you.
Let me try.
Na is key.
La jumali owe la.
O don ninu yave la yan be fi eve na.
O bono pa ke mamu yu edede o. Ke mamu ma je party.
Okay. O si an.
Ko sa mo yin wana won ti ma re pa. Ama de ti mo to ala yan.
Banana.
Ya pa ala yu. Yeah.
We are going now. O ma ro pe mo ya block
obi.
A weekend I will answer. Wa. If you are born any rugi, wa to wa ya mo say please help me to share this video. The information that I just gathered this evening now, they said Mama Melissa and Power, they are about to take my goat through the border, but they are afraid to take it through that border. They don't know whether they will see control. And I pray to God Almighty, they control me. They control like because a God in the book, a receipt a God in the book, almost like near the Tori. I can see like 40-something of that receipt of all this gold brick come out, but the rest not complete. Like the bag where they carry from my house, some receipts see they side. some receipts see the inside. So now that's make I tell you, my people. So I don't want me to sell my gold. I not use the follow the buy anything. May they bring my gold come for me. May they bring my gold come for me. My people, they go the regular here. I'm not catching them. You boy out on the bay. Uva not catching no. They go the regular here. Wame na nuwa alazi wamu alazi nuwakera wanabe do ya right. No ma suppose nuwara nuwake joji nuwakera nuwakeri ameni nuwake destroy. Wana ya uwe bi no ma suppose nuwa wana ya rie won pe na keri ame ape na keri anima o ma ni meso na ọ̀wọ́n ni ma èso dájú nu kan ẹwà yú nu kan náà so wà wá fi gòdì mẹ́rin wà ẹ̀mí nà mànú wá wà náà ẹ̀mí nà mànú wá ègòdì mẹ́gò àlọ́ èmi wà tó fi ọ̀bọ̀ wà mẹ́ ní má fi ọ̀nù wá ẹ̀yìn gò àlọ́